Chapter 4: Implantable Nanoelectronic Devices. Implantable nanoelectronic devices represent a groundbreaking frontier in healthcare technology, offering unprecedented opportunities for real time monitoring, diagnosis, and treatment of various medical conditions. These miniature electronic devices, integrated within our body at the nanoscale, hold the potential to revolutionize personalized medicine by providing continuous, accurate, and remote health monitoring capabilities. This chapter explores the principles, development, current applications, and future prospects of implantable nanoelectronic devices, focusing on their transformative impact on healthcare. Imagine a future where tiny devices, smaller than a grain of rice, reside within our bodies, continuously monitoring our health and even delivering treatments as needed. Welcome to the world of implantable nanoelectronic devices, a groundbreaking innovation that is set to redefine personalized medicine and chronic disease management. The concept of implantable devices is not entirely new. Pacemakers and cochlear implants have been around for decades, improving the quality of life for millions. However, advancements in nanoelectronics have propelled this field into a new era, enabling the development of devices with unprecedented capabilities and miniaturization. At the heart of these innovations lies the integration of nanoelectronic components such as sensors, microprocessors, power sources into biocompatible materials. These components are designed to interact seamlessly with the human body, providing real time data on physiological parameters and delivering therapeutic interventions when necessary. Implantable nanoelectronic devices are small electronic devices that are implanted into the body to monitor physiological parameters, deliver therapeutic treatments, or interface with the nervous system. These devices utilize nanotechnology to achieve high sensitivity, miniaturization, and biocompatibility, enabling applications in chronic disease management, personalized medicine, and neurological disorders. Implantable nanoelectronic devices can be categorized based on their function and application. Sensors: devices that monitor physiological parameters such as glucose levels, oxygen saturation, and biomarkers. Therapeutic devices: devices that deliver therapeutic treatments such as drugs, electrical stimulation, or optogenetic therapy. Neural interfaces: devices that interface with the nervous system for controlling prosthetic limbs, restoring sensory functions, or treating neurological disorders. Implantable nanoelectronic devices offer several advantages over conventional medical devices. These advanced systems enable precise and targeted monitoring or treatment within the body, enhancing the accuracy and effectiveness of medical interventions. They also reduce the need for invasive procedures and surgeries, making medical care less traumatic for patients. Additionally, implantable nanoelectronic devices provide continuous real time data on physiological parameters, allowing for immediate and ongoing assessment of a patient's condition. This capability supports personalized therapy as treatments can be tailored based on individual patients' need and responses. Furthermore, these devices are designed for longevity, operating for extended periods within the body with minimal maintenance, thereby reducing the frequency of medical interventions and associated healthcare costs. The development of implantable nanoelectronic devices represents a significant breakthrough in the field of medical technology, driven by advances in nanofabrication techniques and material science. These devices are designed to perform highly specialized functions within the human body, such as monitoring vital signs, delivering precise drug dosages, or stimulating neural activities. The process begins with the miniaturization of electronic components using sophisticated fabrication techniques like photolithography, chemical vapor deposition, and electron beam lithography. These methods allow for the creation of intricate nanoscale circuits and sensors that can operate reliably within the human body's harsh environment. Researchers also focus on ensuring biocompatibility, utilizing materials that are non toxic and capable of integrating seamlessly with biological tissues. Furthermore, the development process often involves rigorous testing and validation to ensure these devices can withstand the mechanical and chemical stresses encountered in the body. As a result, implantable nanoelectronic devices promise to revolutionize healthcare by enabling more accurate diagnostics, personalized treatments, and real time health monitoring, significantly improving patient outcomes. Recent advances in implantable nanoelectronic devices include: first, wireless communication. These are the devices with wireless capabilities for data transmission and power delivery. Second, closed loop systems. Closed loop systems that monitor physiological parameters and adjust treatments in real time. Third, biodegradable implants. Implants that degrade over time, reducing the need for surgical removal. And fourth, neural implants. Interfaces with the nervous system for brain computer interfaces and neuroprosthetics. Implantable nanoelectronic devices find diverse application across various medical specialties, ranging from neurology and cardiology to oncology and beyond. In neurology, these devices are used for deep brain stimulation, neural recording, and prosthetic control, offering potential treatments for neurological disorders such as Parkinson's disease and epilepsy. In cardiology, implantable nanoelectronics enable continuous monitoring of cardiac activity and targeted therapy delivery. Furthermore, these devices hold promise in oncology for localized drug delivery, tumor monitoring, and assessing treatment responses. Here are some notable examples. First, implantable glucose sensors. Implantable glucose sensors leverage nanoelectronics to continuously monitor blood glucose levels in diabetic patients. These sensors typically use nanomaterials such as carbon nanotubes or gold nanoparticles to enhance sensitivity and accuracy. These devices provide real time glucose readings, enabling better glycemic control and reducing the risk of complications. Also, data from the sensor can be transmitted wirelessly to a smartphone or insulin pump, facilitating automatic insulin delivery and improved diabetes management. Second example includes neural implants. Neural implants such as brain computer interfaces, that is BCIs, and deep brain stimulation, that is DBS devices use nanoelectronics to interact with the nervous system at a highly precise level. These devices have applications in treating neurological disorders and enabling new forms of communication and control. Examples include brain computer interfaces and deep brain stimulation. Nanoelectronic BCIs can detect and decode neural signals with high fidelity, allowing paralyzed individuals to control prosthetic limbs or computers using their thoughts. Also, deep brain stimulation, that is DBS devices with nanoelectrodes, provide targeted electrical stimulation to specific brain regions, used in the treatment of Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and other neurological conditions. Nanoelectrodes reduce tissue damage and improve signal precision. Fourth example includes cochlear implants. Cochlear implants with nanoelectronic enhancements are used to restore hearing in individuals with severe hearing loss. Nanoelectronic technology enables the development of more sophisticated electrode arrays that can stimulate the auditory nerve with greater precision, enhancing the sound quality and speech recognition. Nanoelectronics has revolutionized signal processing algorithms within hearing aids. Advanced nanochips processes audio signals with unparalleled precision, filtering out background noise and enhancing speech clarity. Now, another example is drug delivery systems. Implantable nanoelectronic drug delivery systems offer controlled and localized drug release, enhancing therapeutic efficacy while minimizing side effects. Example includes nano-enabled pumps. These devices can be programmed to release precise dosages of medication at specific times or in response to physiological signals, useful in chronic pain management and hormone replacement therapy. Second example is smart implants. Devices that combine drug delivery with sensing capabilities, such as glucose responsive insulin delivery systems, which adjust the release of insulin based on real time glucose levels. Another example is retinal implants. Retinal implants, also known as bionic eyes, utilize nanoelectronics to restore vision in individuals with retinal degenerative diseases. Here, high resolution nanoelectrode arrays stimulate the degenerated retinal photoreceptor cells, converting visual information into electrical signals that the brain can interpret, thereby restoring partial vision. Also, nanoelectronic components enable wireless transmission of visual data, reducing the need for external wiring and enhancing patient comfort. Another example is bioelectronic medicine. Bioelectronic medicine involves the use of nanoelectronic implants to modulate neural circuits for therapeutic purposes. Example includes vagus nerve stimulators. There is one nerve on each side of our body, which runs from the lower part of the brain through the neck to the chest and stomach. Vagus nerve stimulators are the devices that electrically stimulate the vagus nerve to treat conditions such as epilepsy, depression, and inflammatory diseases. Nanoelectronics enhance the precision and efficacy of nerve stimulation. Another example is peripheral nerve interfaces. Nanoelectronic interfaces can be used to control peripheral nerves, offering new treatments for chronic pain and motor disorders. Challenges in the development and deployment of implantable nanoelectronic devices include biocompatibility, longevity, security and privacy, and regulatory approval. Biocompatibility is ensuring that materials and coatings are biocompatible and do not induce immune responses. Longevity is maintaining device functionality over extended periods within the body. Security and privacy includes protecting patients' data transmitted wirelessly from hacking and unauthorized access. And regulatory approval is navigating regulatory pathways for approval of implantable medical devices. The future of implantable nanoelectronic devices holds tremendous promise, with ongoing research focusing on enhancing device performance, expanding functionality, and addressing clinical needs. Advancements in material science, nanotechnology, wireless communication, and artificial intelligence are poised to drive innovation in implantable device design and application. Furthermore, the integration of nanoelectronic devices with emerging technologies such as bioelectronics, robotics, and regenerative medicine holds the potential to usher in a new era of personalized and precision healthcare. Implantable nanoelectronic devices represent a transformative paradigm in healthcare technology, offering innovative solutions for personalized diagnosis, monitoring, and therapy. By harnessing the principles of nanotechnology and electronics, these miniature devices hold the promise of improving patient outcomes, reducing healthcare costs, and advancing our understanding of complex biological systems. Continued research, collaboration, and investment in this field are essential to unlock the full potential of implantable nanoelectronic devices and shape the future of healthcare. Thank you.